Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to quickly break down the Bumper web app dashboard. And basically, this is everything that you see on your screen after you have signed up and you're ready to start using your Bumper web app. So once you've signed up, once you've started running your store and your website, everything that you record is saved on the Bumper app. Now, the dashboard gives you an overview of some of the information without you needing to go deep into the app to see some of these things. So let's take it step by step. The first thing that you see here is your location. Now, this is for you if you have multiple stores. You can add up the stores that you have on your Bumper app and you can track all of them separately. Now, if you click here, you will see a drop-down menu which shows you the list of your stores. And once you click on any one, it takes you directly to that store's information. Here we have the point of sale button, and I will go into detail about the Bumper point of sale in another video. But once you click on this, it takes you to your Bumper point of sale. And if you use a physical store, please stick around because that information will be super important for you. Here you have the view store button. This basically, once you click on it, takes you to your Bumper website and you can see your website. Now this alarm bell here, once you click on it, gives you a lot of information. You can see all the notifications that you've gotten on your Bumper web app, and you can actually also filter by orders or by products or by transactions, or if it's by domains or your milestones or just general notifications. If you click on discover more, you will see all the latest updates from the Bumper blog and the Bumper in general. Now here you can toggle this on to show only the notifications that you have not read. As you can see here, I have no unread notifications. If you want to refresh this at any point in time, you can just click on this button and it will refresh the information here for you. Now this is the settings button, and once you click on it, it takes you to your settings where you can tailor your web app to have a seamless experience that just matches your business needs. So here you have notifications and you can choose between customer notifications or account notifications or staff notifications. And we will get into this in more detail in subsequent videos. Now back to your web app dashboard. On the left side, you can see quick access and you can see everything that you can do with your Bumper app, and you can easily navigate to any of these by just clicking on it. You can compress this by clicking on this button, which gives you more space and reduces this to icons. But once you hover on them, you will still be able to see the information for each icon. Next is your dashboard in itself. So here you can copy your website link to share with your customers, to put on your Instagram or any other social media accounts you use, to add to an email, anything at all. If you need your website link, you can simply copy it here. Now we have the wallet balance and wallet information. So once you sign up on Bumper, a wallet account is created for you and your transactions go into there, and you can see all your transactions and also withdraw your money at any point in time. Now this is your wallet balance, and once you click on this button here, it will show you how much you have and also the interest that you're earning per day. Right here is your account, your terminal account details. So you can copy this by clicking on this and you can share with your customers and they can make payments to your Bumper terminal account. Your Bumper terminal account allows you to collect payments and get instant notifications. And if you have staff, they can also get notifications about payments the same time that you do, because the notifications actually go to your WhatsApp. So basically, once someone makes a payment, if you add your staff, all of you will get notifications, but they won't see your account balance. So this is good for when you're not in the store and you don't want your staff to be calling you to confirm payments all the time. On this side, we have the to-do list, and this is just a very short list of some of the things that you should do. You can click here to view all, and you see all the things that you need to sort of like complete. Then here we have on this side as well, you have your top 5 sales channels. So what this is it shows you an overview of your sales and where they're coming from. As you can see here, we have POS as the highest, and then we have orders, and then we have walk-in for actual physical store shopping. Then we have customers from WhatsApp, and finally from Instagram. So as you use your Bumper app more frequently and you record your orders, you record your sales and whatnot, you can just see an overview of how your business is performing and the stores that are bringing you the most customers. Now, on the quick action side, you can see quick action buttons that once you click on, it just takes you directly to that action. So you can see here, create new order, add a new product, run sales, or ask Bumper. Once you click on this, it automatically goes to create new order, and you can quickly create a new order very fast. And then finally here, we also have referrals. So one beautiful thing is that we actually give you 20% of the subscription anybody you refer to Bumper pays. So what this means is that you can actually copy your referral code, share it with other business owners that you know, and if they sign up with your code and subscribe, you get 20% of whatever they paid. And you can view your earnings here at any point in time. Now back to this side of the dashboard. So here says business overview. And very quickly, you can just see how your business is performing. So for example, here you can see the options. You can choose this month, this week, today, or you can also filter by date range here. But this gives you a snapshot of your business. So you can see this month that you've gotten 21 orders, you've sold 28 products, you've gotten 5 new customers, and you have gotten 297 website visits. So like I said, here you can always select or filter by date range to help you just like track the exact time period that you want to track. You can see the total sales you've made in this period. You can see the total settled amount, the total amount owed, and your offline sales. And you can also see like how your business is performing month on month with this simple bar chart here. Now, if you click on this, you can download this information at any point in time. And then finally, you see your recent orders when you scroll down. So you can actually see, okay, that this order came in yesterday. You can see the status of the order and the payment status as well, and the shipping status as well. And that's basically the Bumper web app dashboard. Very simple, very easy to navigate. In the next videos, I'm going to break down every single thing one by one. So just stay with me. See you.